It is that time of the year when dry air hits, colds and flu become common, and everyone lines their bedside table with neon colored syrups, menthol lollies. If you are feeling achy, stuffy, or having a sore throat, then this honey ginger tea will definitely help you. Ginger is a spice that's used for cooking and healing. It also used for the treatment of sore throats. It provides some pain relief as an anti-inflammatory. It also boosts immunity to help infections that causes sore throats. Honey is also a miraculous gift gifted by our Mother Nature. Now let's see what ingredients we need for the honey ginger tea. A fresh ginger root. Number 2, a cup of water which is boiling. Number 3, a tablespoon of honey. Method: take a fresh ginger root. After cleaning it, peel it off and cut it into small pieces. You can even crush it in a mottled paste to extract its juices perfectly. Meanwhile, place a pan on a stove, add a cup of water to it. Now add the freshly crushed ginger to the water and let it boil for a minute. You see the color of water changing to light yellow, turn off the stove. Now sieve the ginger water in a cup and add 1 tablespoon of honey in it. Mix it well and drink it. This home remedy is very beneficial for bad and sore throat if taken 2 to 3 times in a day for at least 3 days.